same shit. I'm gonna have to move them screws out of the way. It's gonna hit them. This might work. Okay, on this day we were up at the cabin up north. We installed all the cabinet hardware handles on the lower and the upper cabinets. Did a little adjustments on the drawers to get everything to work properly, smoothly. And as you can see, these are all cherry cabinets that I built in my shop. Soft close hinges on the doors and the drawers. And that's a wrap on this project. All right, don't forget to give it a big old like and subscribe. The next video up at the cabin will be installing the staircase, skirt boards, newel posts, handrails, spindles, all that good stuff. That's all we got for you today. Talk to you later.